In every seminar, you say every risk need to be de-risked. Can you explain this concept?
See, what is risk? Risk is a function of probability and impact. So, probability is the chances of that event occurring, and the impact is what we call as the loss or the negative downside as a result of that event happening. So risk is something which we may not see it coming, or risk is something what can go wrong. Now, when you're doing any activity, so maybe it's like you're appearing for that exams. The probability is that you will not clear the exam. So there's some probability, 10%, 20%. Okay, if the result is 10%, then 90% of the people will fail. So whether you are in that 10% who will pass or whether you are in the 90% you fail, so that's the risk, that's the probability. And the probability of you passing, maybe at a very elementary level, you can say is 1 out of 10, because that's the percentage of results. Now, what is the impact? The impact is that you lose maybe 6 months. There's an opportunity loss of earning, or maybe you feel sad, hurt, whatever. Now, whatever could be the impact is one you know. So, how do you be on top of that and ensure that you just don't fail, so that it's you get the goal or the success or the result what you want? And that's what we call as risks minus controls, is what you have gaps. And if that gaps are within your risk tolerance, then what you should aim at. So there is a risk, and you need to de-risk, is that you need to be on top and you need to be on control of that risk. So you are having the result what you want, what you had planned, and what you had desired. It's not just a dream. It's a very purposeful, goal-oriented mission which achieves. So you hit the bullseye. That's what. So every risk can be de-risked. Every risk has to be de-risked. So risk, when there's a risk, we talk of controls, we talk of gaps, and we talk of further actionables to reduce the risk to our tolerance level. I put it in a very simple term as risk, you de-risk.
So how to apply this concept in real life then? Like, can we apply?
So real life is, it can be applied in real life only. It can be applied everywhere. So wherever, let's say, what we do is when we take any activity which you are doing, we're not thinking of a structured manner, or we are not giving it that thought that were it to go wrong, what would I do? So let's assume you are doing something. So let's say you need the start of the day, you need to wake up on time.
Yeah.
Now, one is if you're conditioned to wake up on time, it's fine. But if you're not conditioned, maybe you'll put an alarm. So you'll have an alarm either of a clock or your mobile. So that's one. Now, even if the alarm goes, you're not waking up. Now, you may have somebody else to say that, okay, if I am not woken up, either your wife, your brother, sister, mother, whoever to wake you up. So that's the second line. So you have either the first day of the watch, the second. So these are controls which you are implementing to ensure that the final result what you want of getting up on time is achieved. The risks, it's what can go wrong. Everything can go wrong anytime, every time. You got to be prepared at all times. So it's like an ATM. Anytime, every time, all times, your preparation has to be perfect. Anything can come at you at any point of time. So
got it, sir.
So
That's
really all types of wickets, they get all types of conditions. You'll face all types of opponents. I think you got to emerge trumps, and that you can only do it if, as I say, you bring your competency on the table at all times.
That's really fantastic advice, and we have such a great learning experience from your journey. Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing that journey.
And I would just like to add, I think you're doing a wonderful job. I think what you should do is maybe encourage more and more people to take advantage of the great work you are doing. You have a lot of quality mentors in your ACE Mentor Club. So I think that's where if the students take advantage, I think it's good for them. It's good to learn from people who have already done that thing, whatever mistakes they have committed, whatever experiences they have got. maybe they will have a lot of insights, wisdom to share based on all the learnings, experiences over the years, and maybe even for the mentors, it's you get used to a new line of thinking, because even the new generation students, professionals who are there have a lot of great ideas, and they are a lot tech savvy. They're quite sharp and crisp and concise to the point. So it's a learning, relearning, enriching experience for all of us. So fine. So best wishes to you, and may you help a lot of students or young professionals in that journey. Thank you.
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much for your kind words. And those students who want to know more, need guidance from Abhijit sir, they can book their session at www.acementorclub.com. Well, you just have to ask for the help. We are there to help you at every stage of your career. Thank you so much.
So it's said when the student is ready, the teacher appears. So thanks for doing a great job. Thank you, and best wishes once again. Yep. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.